basics on.
Hey Stushy, and welcome back to another Slay with Stushy. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys this look served on a platter, sis. You guys all know that Valentine's Day is in this month. I love love. Pink is my favorite color, so I had to bring you guys a V-Day look, okay? This can be worn for date night. It could be worn out if you would like to just do a self-care day for yourself, because listen, V-Day doesn't have to be celebrated with a significant other. Your significant other could be yourself. Just saying, okay? So if you're interested in seeing today's video, keep on watching. Make sure you watch this video in its entirety because there are usually bloopers at the end of all my videos. If you enjoyed today's video, don't head out without leaving your girl a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Let's continue the conversation. So here we are, new setup. Let me know how you guys are feeling it. Listen, it took me some time to get it right, okay? Because I just rearranged my room. If you guys haven't checked that video out, make sure you check it out. But let's go ahead and start the eyes off. I have a few brushes right here. Y'all know we go on V-Day. You guys already saw the intro, so you guys already know how we gave it up. So that being said, I'm between two different palettes. I'm thinking about using my Fenty Beauty No. 4 eyeshadow quad or my Juvia's Place The Berries palette. Might end up using both. So as you guys can see, eyebrows are already done, lids have already been prepped, so I think I'm gonna go right in. I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty palette and I'm gonna use this pink shade right here. It is called Little Miss, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start to work it in my crease. I moved my oh girl, these Morphe brushes is shedding. I saw something on Instagram yesterday, this reel, and the guy was saying that when you use Morphe brushes, it feels like you're using your hair clippings to blend out your eyeshadows. And I was hollering because listen, if you have Morphe brushes, I don't know if it's just me, maybe whoa, why are we not in focus so tight? Sorry about that, y'all, but I don't know if it's just me, maybe I wash my brushes too much, but regardless, I have brushes that I've washed over and over again and they don't shed like how these Morphe eyeshadow brushes be shedding. So I was hollering because I definitely found some truth in that reel that I saw. But let me know if you guys feel the same way, if you own any. I love them because as you guys can see, blend is effortless, but it's just like, sis, why are the brushes always shedding? Can someone let me know? So I really want today's look to be hella cute, and I actually want to use my brush and kind of bring this shadow up into the brow bone. Thank you. I asked my mom to make me tea. She actually made me some. Literally, I can't move. I'm gonna like have to reposition myself in the frame. Okay, thank you. Now that I've blended that up, I'm going right in with my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna use a shade that doesn't have a name. I'm gonna use this bright pink right here, and I'm gonna pack it on my lid. I'm packing. I'm kind of not really being that neat with it, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That shit is bright, okay? I ain't even gonna lie to you. The last time I used the shadow, it was not giving this much pigment. Let me go in with a little bit of that Fenty shadow and work around the edge. Baby! Ooh, that's a good combo. Let's see, I'm in great spirits today. This is how I'm gonna be every single day. I'm speaking it into existence. No bad days in 2021, okay? If something happens in a day that pisses me off, I'm gonna take like a good 20 minutes, if that, to digest it, and then we moving on. This right here. This right here. Packing a little bit more of that shadow because we lost some. Did we? And a little bit more on this side too. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm loving how the eyes look. I wanted to do something else, but I low-key like the simplicity of this bright eye. I want to add a cute little shimmer in my inner corner. Okay, for the life of me, I cannot find my clear lash glue, so I'm gonna use this little mini lash glue that I found somewhere in my makeup collection. Hopefully this thing is not expired. I'm gonna add a little bit right in here. And don't mind my nails, but I'm actually going to be using this NYX Glitter Brilliance in the color or the number 06. And I'm going to use my Girly Touches glitter applicator. Black owned business. Go check them out. And I'm just going to apply some glitter in here. Ooh, baby. I ain't gonna lie, my eye is kind of burning. Maybe it was expired. Oh my god, do not do this at home, y'all. And the crazy thing is, I was gonna buy some lash glue the other day and I didn't, because I'm like, you have some at home. And look, let me not let this tea go to waste. I'm happy with how the eyes look right now, so let's move on to the face. So I already went in and primed my face with the Glow Makeup Serum by Laneige. Y'all know this is my favorite. I love this to prime my skin. Now I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath foundation. We going bougie today, full on bougie. I'm using the shade Medium Deep 26. I'm just going to squirt a bit on my face. All products can be found linked down below in the description box. I'm going to actually use my Juno sponge today, just so I could get the most from the product. If y'all don't know about Juno sponges, I highly recommend you guys check them out. I don't have a code, but my sis has a code, so I'll leave her code up on the screen. Compared to other sponges, the Juno sponge doesn't actually absorb a lot of your makeup, so you can definitely get to use the most of your product when using the sponge. I'm also going to spray just a little bit with my Alani Make It Last setting spray. Y'all should know that this is also Vday. Blend it into thy neck. Don't neglect the neck. Oh, I didn't even put none up here, girl. So I'm not even using full pumps. I'm literally just squirting out a little bit. Probably would be like a pump and a half. Also going in with the Pat McGrath concealer in the shade MD23. And to contour, I'm using my Uma Beauty Sculpt Stick in the color Brown Sugar. And I'm also going to use the opposite side, the highlighter side, and just add a little bit underneath where I put that Pat McGrath concealer. Right on the high points of my cheekbone. Like that. I'm going to use my Juno sponge to blend out my contour. And I'm going to start to blend my concealer out with a brush. Now I'm switching over to my e.l.f. sponge to help blend my under eye a little bit better. Okay, so now that all is blended to my liking, I'm just going to set with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So being that I only set my under eye and everything else, the rest of my face is still pretty much wet, still pretty much liquid. I'm gonna actually go in with this Rare Beauty blush that I picked up and I have yet to try it. I showed it to you guys in my recent Sephora haul. If you haven't checked that out, I'll leave it linked up above for you to check out. But it is the Rare Beauty Nearly Berry cream blush, and the packaging is beautiful. The color is gorgeous, you guys. Dab into it with my blush brush, and I'm going light because I know she about to pack. Ooh, okay. You guys see that? That's so pretty. That's really pretty, and it works really well with our look too. Now I'm going to dust away this powder. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Fenty Beauty powder foundation. This is in the shade 420. I was so tempted to use this today, you guys. Y'all don't even know, because it makes my makeup application just 10 times easier. And I'm just going to set the rest of my face with it. I have a full review of the powder foundation, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave that linked up above for you. And I'm just bronzing up a little bit and carving out my nose just a little bit with this ABH bronzer in the color Mahogany. Well, the face is looking real good on camera, you guys. It looks really good in person as well. I do see a little bit of some of my dark marks peeking through right here, but I'm pressed. I'm not worried about it. Now I'm going to go in with this MAC blush. This is a very old blush. This is their Beaming blush. Might still be available on the MAC website. I'm not too sure, but again, everything will be linked down below if I can find it. It was a calm, cute highlight. And it's like a rose gold highlighter. And I'm definitely throwing some in that brow bone. I'm going in with my NYX Full White liner. I'm going to use that in my waterline. And yeah, my nose is already sweating, so I'm going to go back in with my sponge and just tap a little powder on it. And I'm going back into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use that same pink shade, bottom middle, that we used earlier on the eyes. And I'm just going to pack that in my lower lash line. And I also just stamped a little wing right there too. You see that? Cool. Ooh, pop in, pop in, pop in. You guys should already know the deal. I'm using my Fenty Beauty mascara just to prep my lashes for my falsies. And today I actually think I'm gonna go in with CEO from my lash business, Capra NYC if you're new. And I'm gonna apply those. I actually found my lash glue as well, so happy about that. And I'm using my lash tweezers as well from my business. And I just went ahead and applied the lash glue right to my lash line, girl. We are in business, honey. The lashes are on and they look really, really good with our look. So now it's time for lips. I'm actually going to go in with my Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Cola. I'm actually running out. I can't even wind it up anymore, so I need to order another one. And I'm filling in the outer portion too. Girl, this might be done today. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my lip gloss. That's a lip, honey. Do I want to add anything else to that lip? I'm actually going in with a little bit of the Patrick Ta lip gloss in the color She's Expensive. I kind of wanted just a little bit of shimmer. So, yes, it does just that, honey. I need to pick up the full size for this. That's the lip, sis. That's the lip. So let me go ahead and change into something more cute. Let me go ahead and fix this hair real quick. Let's go ahead and get into these slow-mos. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I love, she is real cute. She's ready for V-Day. She's ready for date night. She's ready for brunch. Let's talk about it. I really love this look. This is something that I would definitely wear like 365 because pink is my favorite color and I just love how this look turned out. So drop a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling the look. The hair is from Amazon. I'll have that link in my Amazon shop as well if you're interested. And I'll also go ahead and leave the video up above if you guys would like to see me unbox this hair and style the hair. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Let me know your favorite part down below. If you haven't already subscribed, I really hope that you subscribe and join the gang. It's all love over here. We would love for you to join the gang. Turn on your post notifications as well. Share this video with a friend. I'd really appreciate that. I really hope that you go ahead and leave your girl a big thumbs up so that way I know you guys love the video. And that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you today. So I hope you guys enjoyed once again. Thank you guys again for watching and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys. Testing, testing, testing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's definitely a brush here. Like, get it together. And I'm happy with how with this ABH real ready for date. You could wear this. You could wear this out share, show the love. Go ahead and leave your girl a big thumbs up.